Okay, guys, this is the headers, not headers. I'm sorry, the exhaust that I got. I got ultimate headers on the car right now. So basically, fits pretty decent, as you can see. I'm halfway there. I had to notch a couple pieces here so I can bend it because it was coming to this side a lot and was hitting here. So easiest way to do it, just I did like five, 6 notches here, and then just bend it that way, and it fits now. So this side was perfect. I didn't have to do nothing this side. The system looks really nice. I started up, it's a little bit loud for what I wanted, but I'm not all the way out of the car, and obviously when your exhaust is here, it rumbles more than what it should. So all these, I didn't have to modify anything except they wanted the front. Here's where I get interested because I got coilovers, and it's right where the coilover goes. As you can see, it goes over here and comes out of this side, and then from here back. Obviously I already notch here, notch over there. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna go under the axle. I'm fully stretched right now, and the pad is completely clear going that way. So my plan is going through right here. As you can see, right, just go this way and then straight out, and then into the pipes here. It's a 3-inch. I think it just looks amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan. Got this side as well, and basically I'm just gonna fit it through that hole. Same thing on this side. If I can just point it straight from here over there. Oh, focus here. There we go. So 45, and then another 45, it should hit here. This one doesn't fit as nice, but it's because I gotta redo it here. You can see the mount is not the way it's supposed to be done, so I just gotta tingle with it a little bit here. Maybe change this bend over here so it fits perfect, and yeah, should be able to just squeeze it right through there. It's not gonna hang any lower than where it is already, which is pretty low, but it's not gonna hang any lower than that. And I'm full extent, so it's not like it's gonna hit the axle, it's gonna hit the exhaust, because it's already hanging below it, and then it's just gonna compress. So yeah, I shouldn't have any issues doing that modification. And let's see, I'm gonna buy probably out of Amazon or something like that, buy the one of the kits that come, that's like a universal that has a whole bunch of pins that you can just chop in place. Got a couple ones here left over, but I don't think that's what I need. I believe I need more like a 45-ish type of turn, so I can do the same, basically the same thing I did here. I know it looks horrible. I'm learning to take, so but basically if it's too pointy, I can chop half of it and then straighten up a little bit and make the turn. We'll see. I gotta order and mess with it, but this is what I have done so far. Took me a couple hours. Run completely out of argon for the TIG welding, so yeah, it's a little more loud than what I wanted, but for right now I think it's gonna be okay. If not, I just replace this with something else, something quieter. But I mean, I got no cats, full 3-inch, so I know it's gonna make some sound. So yeah, this is so far what we're doing with this car. looks so sick with these things in there. Keep in mind they're completely loose, but once it's like perfect, like right there, woo, it's gonna look sick. Can't wait. Now the exhaust, finally got it, everything done. So I got both sides here, stainless steel, X pipe, and then these hooker headers. And they're under the axle because I couldn't go over the axle because of the coilovers. So under the axle, we got the factory hangers here, all the way back. Same thing on this side. I just finished up welding these last hangers there. And yeah, it's pretty much all set. Now I gotta take it on the road. Obviously not right now because it's raining like crazy here. But yeah, it's time to take it out, see how it feels, and go from there. I still gotta do the fender liners. I want to do the fender liners, and I gotta put a couple stoppers. These stoppers. These stoppers. Because it's rubbing right here a little bit, right there. So I just gotta put them right in here so it doesn't turn as much, and we should be good to go. Let's see if we can get some sound.